Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shania. Today I have a Barbie doll. This is the curler Barbie doll and crumple Barbie doll. Guys, it comes with a crimpler, a comb, and a curler, and some elastic bands. We're gonna get it open and we're gonna do her hair, guys. Go open it at the bottom, guys. Guys, it's taking a bit of time to open, so here we have the spray bottle. Guys. Here we have some elastic bands to tie her hair up. Here we have a curler. Here we have a crimpler. We have a brush. I'm just gonna throw this on the floor, guys. Guys, here we have Barbie, guys. She's beautiful. We're gonna do some cool hairstyles in her hair, guys. First, we're gonna put some spray in her hair, guys. We're gonna put some spray and do some cool hairstyles in her hair, guys. We're gonna put some spray in her hair, guys. Let's put it in. Everywhere. We get it everywhere, guys, in her hair. So it's everywhere. I'm gonna put the cap back on. We're gonna curl her hair, guys. So we're gonna take a small little strand, guys. We're gonna take a small little strand. We're gonna get it like in. We're gonna wrap it around like that. We're gonna wrap it around like that. Now we're gonna put some more spray on. We're gonna put some more spray on, guys. Spray. Now we're gonna crimple her hair with this crimpler, guys. We're gonna get a massive piece of her hair, guys. We're gonna get a massive piece. We're gonna put it on the crimpler like that. We're gonna press it like that, guys. We're gonna keep on pressing it until the whole part of her hair is done, guys. Her hair looks all straightened. Now we're gonna brush her hair because Barbie's hair is a bit of a mess, guys. We're gonna keep on brushing it like that. Now, guys, we are going to be painting some nails. We're going to paint Barbie nail and a little bit of my doll nail polish, a little cute polish. We're going to sit her down like this, guys. We're going to get her nails. We're going to get her little nails. Gonna get her nails. I'm going to start painting them. Gonna get one nail. Second nail, third nail, fourth nail. Done it. Now we're going to move on to the next hand, guys. Next hand, keep it. Gonna keep on painting her nails, guys. We're painting her nails, guys, and we're gonna do something to her hair, guys. We're gonna put some cute clips in her hair, guys. We're gonna put this little cute rainbow, guys. We're gonna sit her down, turn her head around. We're gonna clip one of her hair clip in. We clipped it. We're gonna clip it in. So we have it clipped in, guys, and I think we're gonna curl it, half of her hair. So we're just gonna like curl it. We're gonna take this clip out. We're gonna start curling it, guys. We're gonna curl it like this, guys. So we're gonna get our curler. We're gonna get this curler. We're gonna get this curler, guys. See, Barbie, guys, we're gonna get this curler. We're gonna get a strand of Barbie's hair. We're gonna get Barbie's. I'm gonna get it down. A curl, guys, that looks so beautiful. Time for the next curl. We keep on curling it. And we're gonna crimple her hair. This crimpler. See this crimpler, guys? Gonna crimple it. We're gonna get a huge more piece, guys. Can you see, Barbie? Gonna crimple her hair. Keep on crimpling. We're gonna crimple all her hair at the same time, guys. We're gonna comb her hair, guys, like this. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Obviously like, subscribe and hit the notification buttons.